Hi, I am Srujana Sawant, and this is my React end-term project called UniStay, which is a hostel management system designed to solve the problem of unstructured complaint handling in student hostels. In a lot of hostels, currently complaints are handled through multiple separate WhatsApp groups or Google Forms or other informal methods, which leads to no tracking, no accountability, and no safe way to report sensitive issues like ragging. UniStay solves this by providing a structured, role based system with real time updates and safe reporting of complaints. This application is built using React with Context API for global state, React Router for navigation, and Firebase for authentication and real time database. It also uses Firestore subscriptions to sync data live across users. Now, this is the login page where the user can log in if they already have an account, or if they don't have one, they can create one on the sign up page. Now, let me just log in as a student. If you give the incorrect credentials, you won't be able to log in. It does say invalid email or password. And now, after giving the correct credentials, we have successfully logged in to the student dashboard. This student dashboard shows complaint statistics, so total complaints, pending complaints in progress and resolved. And these update dynamically based on real-time data. So students can make a new complaint by clicking either here or going to the new complaint tab, and students can view all the complaints by clicking here, here, or going to the complaints tab. Here you can see the complaints by category such as room cleaning, mess, water, etc. And here you can see all the recent complaints. So in the complaints tab, you can search for complaints. Let's just say I want to search for Wi-Fi issues, and complaints related to Wi-Fi show up. Students can view complaints with filters for status of the complaint, such as pending, in progress, or resolved, and the category of the complaint. Or you can also search for complaints by most upvoted, and the most upvoted complaints show up. Students can only upvote complaints made by others. So this is a complaint made by me, so I can't upvote this. But let's just say this one, I can upvote this one since it was not made by me. And if I only want to see my complaints, I can toggle this checkbox. And the most important thing is that students can see all these general complaints to stay aware of common issues and upvote on the complaints which they feel also affect them. But sensitive complaints like ragging are hidden for safety. They're only visible to admins. Okay, so now let's create a new complaint. This is the form to fill. So I've created the complaint, lift not working, in category electricity. You can optionally give the location if you want, and this is the description. You can also submit the complaint anonymously. If you turn this on, your identity will not be shown to anyone, not even the admin. And you can also mark this complaint as urgent so that it can show up as urgent on the admin's dashboard. Also, if let's just say this was a ragging complaint, this will not show up on any of the students' dashboard. It will only be shown to the admin. So let's just submit this complaint. And now, if you go to the complaints tab, this will show up right now due to real-time updates. And this mess menu tab is just an additional feature where students can see their weekly menu. Now let me just log out of the student account, and now let's log in as an admin. So admins have full visibility across all complaints, including sensitive complaints like ragging, which are hidden from students. You can see this here, ragging complaints are showing up, and you can see that there are 4 urgent complaints. So going into the complaints tab, if you scroll down, you can see that there's a ragging complaint. It's anonymous, urgent, and admins can manage the complaint lifecycle in real time. So they can change the status of the complaint. Let's just say we want to change this from pending to resolved. So then this gets resolved, or let's just say this is resolved. So then these changes reflect instantly for users. And admins can also make a complaint if they want. Now going into the mess menu tab, students can only view the weekly mess menu, but admins can update the menu directly from the front end. Let's just say I want to add salad over here. This will update instantly for all the other users, like students. So in conclusion, UniStay demonstrates real-time data handling, role-based access control, and a complete CRUD system built using React and Firebase. Thank you for watching.